harming your marriage without realizing it? Let's find out. I'm Dr. Elena Sherwood, your relationship expert. 5 communication habits that kill your marriage. Number 1, ignoring your partner. It's downright rude and condescending. And so instead of doing that, just tell your partner it's not a good time. And then tell them exactly when it is you will be able to converse. Number 2, yelling. This could be very triggering and painful for people to hear. Instead, tell your partner you'd like their attention and can you please have it. Number 3, talking behind their back. Now this is just rude. And it's disrespectful, and people only do this when they're upset. And so if you are upset, tell your partner so you have a chance at resolving whatever issues are at hand. Number 4, name calling. Some people treat perfect strangers much better than they do their own partners, so please don't do that. Instead, just pick better words. And number 5, lying or withholding information. It's insulting because you've assumed that your partner can't handle the truth. It's creating a larger divide between the two of you. Instead, just tell them it's time for a difficult conversation. Subscribe if you know relationships should be healthy.